What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing a World War II French original gas mask that I was able to finally find one of these for sale. So, yeah, let's open it. Alright, this is pretty sealed up pretty well. There we go. Can't stop a scissor. Here. And there. Whoosh. Alright. Wrapping. Bubble wrap. Oh, it's bubble wrap. I just put this box aside. Ooh, okay. So this is the bag. Shoulder strap. It's in pretty good condition. Has a military smell to it, which I love. The back of it. Cool. Alright. Let's open this up. Ooh, oh, look at that. So this is the mask. I knew it came damaged, so it's okay. Show you guys the inside. Alright. So here's the hose. Nice and flexible. In the canister. The original one. So what else in here? Oh yeah. Probably have to get the camera closer. They're also here on the sides. I'll show you guys inside. Let me get the camera. Alright, so here is the hose. Inside of it. Yeah. The filter. I'm breathing so loud. It's pretty hot in here. I have the fan running. That's the filter. So yeah, pretty kind of heavy. A little bit heavy. Gas mask. I feel pretty fragile. Real ventilation right here underneath it. Inside. Yeah. 1930. These are the A.N.P. 31 gas masks. So yeah. This also his bag. Back of it. Front of it. Let's see what's in here. I can't get it out. There we go. These would be sodium, whatever stuff. A.N.P. Yeah. smells kind of weird, a little bit weird. Put that back in there. We also have one on this side. Ooh. Oh, it's the A.N.P. Ooh, it's rusted. Oh no, this just looks like it's shiny. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Camera a bit. There you go. This is the rear of it. That piece goes around your waist. And this right here over your shoulder. It's written on here on the inside. Dickson 1934. Some FLN. What's this? Oh, there's a... Oh, look at that. One of them? Yeah, look. Ooh. I think these were for the newer models. Because there's some like this one that were converted. And then the newer version had these on the eyepieces. Pretty good condition it's in. Yeah. Put it back here. There's also a metal bottom. Try to show it to you guys. Whoops. Sorry. Knocked the camera out. Knockouts. How you again? Alright. So, looking there, you can see there's a metal bottom. Yeah. Can't really do much with it. But yeah. Front strap. Go right here. And then use this to close it. But pretty neat. That's a pretty good condition for it being like 80 years old. Yeah. Bottom. Where the metal bottom is. Let's see. Not flexible. Oh, here it is. Alright, I'll show you guys the gas mask with the hose on in the canister, so 1 second. There we go. Alright, here we have it. Pretty neat. This came from a French museum at the Normandy beaches. I forgot the name of it. But the website is called paratrooper.fr. And they sell some originals there. It's a museum. Yeah, it's called the D-Day Experience Museum. So, yeah. This was only on sale for like 6 days, and then I bought it. I saw it the other day. I was, oh, I gotta get this. Find someone selling one of these. So, yeah. Pretty neat. Back at it again. Alright, well. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you like what you saw, you can always like, comment, and subscribe. Next month, we're going to be going to some cool places to film there in uniform. So that will be a lot of fun. Alright, well, I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.